Expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Spanish ebook before it's gone.
¿Cuánto cuesta esto? How much is this? ¿Cuánto cuesta esto? How much is this? You can also say, ¿cuánto vale? ¿Hablas inglés? Do you speak English? ¿Hablas inglés? Do you speak English? In most cases, the answer to that might not be that positive, but yeah, you can try. ¿Me puedo probar esto? Can I try this on? ¿Me puedo probar esto? Can I try this on? So if you enter a clothing store and there's something you like, you can ask the shopping assistant, ¿me puedo probar esto? ¿Tienes sitio para esta noche? Do you have any vacancies tonight? ¿Tienes sitio para esta noche? Do you have any vacancies tonight? Maybe try to not get to the point in which you have to ask this and book your room beforehand. No. ¿Tienes alguna recomendación? Do you have any recommendations? ¿Tienes alguna recomendación? Do you have any recommendations? Like if you travel to Spain, you have to go to Granada. Cannot miss it. Most beautiful city in the world. Me gustaría 10 de estos. I'd like 10 of these. Me gustaría 10 de estos. I'd like 10 of these. So if you want to buy souvenirs for all your friends and you don't really want to think a lot, you just can find some, I don't know, keychain or postcard. Say, me gustaría 10 de estos. I would like 10 of these. And it'll be over. Because it's pretty stressful to find souvenirs for everyone. Me gustaría este. I'd like this. Me gustaría este. I'd like this. So if you're talking to the shopping assistant and maybe the thing you want is a bit further away, like you can point at it and say, me gustaría este. Tengo una reserva. I have a reservation. Tengo una reserva. I have a reservation. So if you really want to go to a restaurant, try to research a little bit and see if that place is normally full so that you can make a reservation beforehand. ¿Es este el autobús correcto para el aeropuerto? Is this the right bus for the airport? ¿Es este el autobús correcto para el aeropuerto? Is this the right bus for the airport? Normally going by taxi to the airport is pretty expensive, so you want to check the buses. ¿Es gratis el Wifi? Is the Wi-Fi free? ¿Es gratis el Wifi? Is the Wi-Fi free? The Spanish people have this tendency of saying Wi-Fi even in English because we are so used to call it that way in Spanish. So if someone person is talking to you and say something about Wi-Fi, you know they mean Wi-Fi. ¿Me podría dar un descuento? Could you give me a discount? ¿Me podría dar un descuento? Could you give me a discount? So it's not that common in Spain to ask for a discount in a store. So yeah, maybe if you go to an outdoors market or to these stalls near the beach, you can ask for a discount. ¿Me podría encontrar una habitación para no fumadores? Could you find me a non-smoking room? ¿Me podría encontrar una habitación para no fumadores? Could you find me a non-smoking room? So about smoking, in Spain is forbidden to smoke inside places. And I find it so funny that in Japan it's the opposite, you cannot smoke outside. but you can smoke in places. I just find it kind of weird. How is it in your country? ¿Podrías sacarme una foto, por favor? Could you take a picture of me, please? ¿Podrías sacarme una foto, por favor? Could you take a picture of me, please? I have the impression that lately, with all these selfie sticks and things, like people are not asking that anymore. But before, like, it was really common to get asked that. ¿Podría tener la cuenta? Could I have the check? ¿Podría tener la cuenta? Could I have the check? And also you can just say la cuenta, por favor. It's the same thing. ¿Tienen algún plato vegetariano? Do you have any vegetarian dishes? ¿Tienen algún plato vegetariano? Do you have any vegetarian dishes? So before it wasn't that common, but nowadays there are a lot of vegetarian and vegan places opening in Spain, so it's getting easier. And also, like in normal places, they now have like options for vegetarian people, so yeah, getting easier. Perdone, ¿cuál es la tarifa? Excuse me, what's the fare? Perdone, ¿cuál es la tarifa? Excuse me, what's the fare? Some museums and monuments sometimes have like a special fare for students, so if you are one, you can maybe ask, perdone, ¿cuál es la tarifa para estudiantes? ¿Aceptáis tarjeta de crédito? Do you take credit cards? ¿Aceptáis tarjeta de crédito? Do you take credit cards? So in most shops in Spain, you can pay by card and there's no problem. But maybe if you go to a small town, go to a small shop, like you might have to pay in cash. So yeah, in these cases, like you can ask this question. ¿Podría darme un mapa? Could I get a map? ¿Podría darme un mapa? Could I get a map? I'm so thankful about Google Maps because I have no sense of direction, and even if I have a map, like for me it's so difficult to like understand it and follow it. So yeah, I'm happy there's technology now. ¿Podríamos tener el menú, por favor? Could we have the menu, please? ¿Podríamos tener el menú, por favor? Could we have the menu, please? Yeah, if you go to a restaurant, you can ask this question and they'll bring you the menu. Esto no es lo que pedí. This isn't what I ordered. Esto no es lo que pedí. This isn't what I ordered. Yeah, normally if you get something different from what you ordered and you say this politely, like they will replace it for you. So no problem. Perdona, sorry, but this is not what I ordered. ¿Te importaría cambiarlo? Could you mind to change it?
Abuela, grandmother. Mi abuela ve la tele todos los días. My grandmother watches TV every day. Abuelo, grandfather. Mi abuelo siempre hace chistes. My grandfather always makes jokes. Hermana menor, younger sister. Mi hermana menor es más extrovertida. My younger sister is more extroverted. Hermano menor, younger brother. Mi hermano menor juega al LOL. My younger brother plays LOL, League of Legends. Hija, daughter. Su hija es muy lista. Her daughter is very clever. Hijo, son. Su hijo desapareció hoy. His son disappeared today. Marido, husband. Su marido la engañaba. Her husband cheated on her. Mujer, wife. Su mujer es muy amable. His wife is very kind. Niño, child. Tu niño es muy guapo. Your child is very handsome. Primo, cousin. Mi primo está estudiando en la universidad. My cousin is studying at university. Compañero, partner, vive con su compañero. She lives with her partner. Cuñada, sister-in-law, no se lleva bien con su cuñada. She doesn't get along well with her sister-in-law. Familia, family, su familia es muy grande. His family is very big. Hermana, sister, mi hermana acaba de llegar. My sister has just arrived. Padre, father, mi padre es médico. My father is a doctor. Madre, mother, mi madre trabaja en una empresa. My mother works in a company. Padres, parents, sus padres se casaron en una playa. His parents married on a beach. Nieta, granddaughter, está muy contenta de tener una nueva nieta. She is very happy about having another granddaughter. Nieto, grandson, grandchild. Tu nieto es muy tímido. Your grandson is very shy. Sobrina, niece. Todavía no tengo ninguna sobrina. I still don't have a niece. And this is the end of today's 20 must-know family words. I hope you liked it and please don't forget to subscribe. ¡Hasta pronto! Calcular, calculate, calculé todos los resultados en mi libreta. I calculated all the results in my notebook. Cuarto, fourth. Un cuarto es una mitad dividida entre dos. A fourth is a half divided by two. Dividir, divide. Dividí los caramelos entre mis hermanos pequeños. I divided the sweets between my younger brothers. Ecuación, equation. Resolvió esa ecuación tan larga en un minuto. He solved that very long equation in a minute. Más, plus. 2 más 2 son 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And this is the end of today's 10 must-know math words. I hope you learned something and that you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hasta luego!